Potable water for all, path-breaking and revolutionary. Work by Siddha Technology of Swami Hardas Lab System, an invention of Dr. Swami Hardas, Pune. The globe is facing acute water shortage. The water crisis is really a great challenge before all of us. Only 0.007% water is potable. Ice on Kilimanjaro has shrunk to 85%. RLC is 1/10 to its size. Groundwater depletion, groundwater contamination, it's a thirsty planet. Water for agriculture, water for industry, water for energy, water for life. Together, we can overcome this challenge. His Excellency Mr. Kofi Annan has rightly tapped this issue and addressed to entire world community.
And let the policymakers and the local government, district government, or the national government know that they are concerned. There's lots of material on this out there, and they can organize themselves, share the information with their friends, and challenge their governments.
Potable water for all. How this impossible is made possible by Swami Hardas Lab System. Take a short view from success stories of more than 5,500 villages in India and abroad. Villagers and tribals come together, discuss their issues, including water, make a meeting, form a resolution inviting Swami Hardas Foundation to offer solutions to their problems. On the receipt of this resolution, Swami Hardas Foundation opens up the communication from the communication division to all concerned government officials at all levels. These communications sent to collectorate of concerned districts, Jila Panchayats, and finally the delegation is arrived at the village. We are seeing such one village where Dr. Swami Hardas is being arrived, welcomed by local tribals and villagers. A warm welcome to the delegation from the heart, as they are getting solution based on zero budget system. Their problems, they feel that Swami Hardas Lab System will eradicate from the bottom. A small meeting gathering is organized by the Sarpanch and concerning village officers and elders. A brief of their problems is stated once again before Dr. Swami Hardas. Then volunteers are instructed to move from door to door, take all the readings totally scientifically. Each issue should be noted, each of the villager should be communicated his all problems, problems of life, problems of water, problems of agriculture, problems of matters concerning life should be noted. And thus, volunteers starts moving from door to door. Especially, problems of ladies are given most priority. Their all issues are noted in the form, noted very scientifically. Because of door-to-door survey, the villagers open up their all issues, their all problems, and thus we get all the problems, circumstances, challenges, issues at one stroke. By going door to door, the villagers and volunteers form a bond of association, humanity, and cooperativeness is cultivated. The entire village is scanned by the team of volunteers who has come on their own expenditures, on their own travel conveyances. The villagers feel that their elder brother has come to help them, came to offer solutions, and like this the entire village starts finding the problems are going out. Apart from villagers, the livestock problems are also noted. The livestock efficiency, the livestock health is also noted. Then water issue is addressed by collecting samples from each water source. At least 2 samples are taken. These water samples are collected either in the presence of government officials or local RWSS or panchayat level officers are involved while taking these water samples. At least 2 water samples are taken from each water source. Villagers and volunteers are moving neck to neck and collecting water samples. Water from borewell is also collected. Apart from the depth of the borewell is also measured with the help of local villagers. These water samples are submitted to RWSS executives where they could check the water quality. All the status and facts of the life of the village is reported to all concerned government officials. From Swami Hardas Foundation, Pune. Then villagers are taught how to solve their problems using Swami Hardas Lab system with Siddha technology. Their effort is supported from Shaktidata Pune by the means of Siddha Energy Relay. After experiencing, each villager starts receiving some or other realization. They find some or other relief in their health condition, in their livestock condition. Then they come with other issues like agriculture. Volunteers teach them how to do agriculture using Swami Hardas Lab system. A practical demonstration is made possible with the help of local volunteers. Chronic cases, chronic illness is taken sincerely and an extensive effort is made to solve them. These efforts increases a sense of brotherhoodness, a sense of humanity and a sense of cooperativeness amongst the villagers. This integrate their life and this integrate belongingness to the villagers. After application of Swami Hardas Lab system and Siddha Energy Relay, water is again tested by the local government officials. The RWSS experts and technicians find water chemistry is getting changed, getting it to ideal natural positive state. Water table is also enhanced to considerable extent. This is made possible by the combination of actual life, humanity, science, spirituality, research and development. This has taken first time in the world. The combination is made so fine. This combination gives results far better and faster than science. In fact, it is a life science. After few days, how much water changes are sustainable are also measured. Accordingly, further processes are guided to the villagers with the help of Siddha Technology Division, Pune and Research and Development Division, Pune. The happy villagers starts sharing their joy that how they are getting health, how they are getting solutions to their problems. Ladies' problems are solved by ladies. Ladies are also solving family problems and village problems too. De-addiction, coordination in the family is brought. Water is made as portable as possible. They learnt this technology. They learned this technology forever. Thus, they make everyone capable. This resulted into minimizing of sufferings of millions, savings of lakhs of rupees. Like this, confident villagers start spreading this message to other villages. This is a mission, and this mission has spread up in more than 5,500 villages in India and abroad. How to maintain this energy field and life at ideal natural positive state is explained to them from time to time by local volunteers as well as from Shaktidatta Pune, Research and Development Team Pune and Siddha Technology Team Pune. Like this, we have many government records, Government of Odisha RWSS, Government of Andhra Pradesh RWSS, in Kenya, Water Supply and Sanitation Division, District Kailali, Government of Nepal. Swami Hardas Life System, Nepal had a joint venture on contamination of water with a specific issue of hardness and calcium. Total hardness 298 was dropped down to 206. Calcium was dropped down from 90.59 to 76.15. This resulted into savings of millions of rupees and minimizing huge sufferings. In Maharashtra, many panchayats has received these experiences of improvement in groundwater level. Like this, water is made portable by Swami Hardas Life System. The training sessions and technology is extended by Swami Hardas Life System Gyanpit. Those who wants to learn and new to the system, they should contact to Swami Hardas Life System Gyanpit, Swami Hardas Foundation. Those who have already learned up to basic and advanced level, they should direct seek to Swami Hardas Foundation Office Pune for their further guidance and services. Training, guidance, services are as much as possible totally free of cost.